Good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody's well and okay. Oh, it's just never stopped raining. The sun's made a slight appearance, but it just keeps changing the weather, unfortunately. Hopefully, my poppy stays on. Um, this little bird. What are you doing to your mummy? Hey? I think she's after my poppy. She was after the plant before, and now she's after my poppy. It's just different things with Budgies, so I'm sure we forgive her, don't we? I'm sure we forgive you. That was a nice kiss. Eh? That was a nice kiss. Mwah. Anyway, the talk for you today is Do Budgies fight? Now, I suppose, yes, the more budgies you have, the more likely it is to happen. Because usually when you have a lot of budgies in a cage, budgies can be territorial, especially breeding budgies. Now, breeding budgies, they have their own little nests. So it's not always a good idea to have loads of budgies in a cage, especially if you've got breeding pairs who are going to have chicks. They become very territorial. It's the males, females as well, I suppose. The territorial, so they're going to defend the space, the family, the chicks. They're going to fight, unfortunately. The males will probably fight to protect the females. The females will probably fight to protect the chicks. And it's just an ongoing circle. Now, when budgies fight, I suppose it's just like any wild birds. They probably fight to the death, just like robins do. Well, you know about robins. Robins are territorial. They choose a space to be, and when another robin comes, they're going to fight for it. They're going to fight for that place. So I suppose budgies are no exception. Okay, I just thought I'd share this with you. It's not a very long talk. Budgies also, when a budgie starts bleeding, it's bad. So when a budgie starts to bleed, wherever on the body, if it has been fighting and it gets injured, it's not very good for your budgie, because budgies lose blood at a very fast rate. So with a wound on a budgie, it needs to be treated straight away. Now, because I've only got the one bird, I've never come across any of these problems.